Okay, back in the MX5 with Matt Malone Championship. I'm mid-pack, which is not necessarily a good place to be. Laguna Seca.
Green flag, green flag.
Well, that guy just didn't move, did he? What's that about? He's just sat there.
Jesus Christ.
Well, 3 wide.
Car on your left.
I'm going to let them go.
Right side.
Oh, Christ, I'm letting everyone go here, I think.
Left side, 2 wide. Left side.
Oh,
Stay on the
God.
right. Clear on the left.
Don't want to get killed.
Clear on the
Don't want to get
left
killed.
side.
Let's just at least get going. I didn't qualify.
Left side.
So I did this race before.
Still there.
I
hold your
qualified
line.
mid-pack and
Clear.
got murdered on that first corner. So I thought, well, I might as well not qualify and start mid-pack. And I was a bit busy doing something else. So, okay. We're at the back, more or less. But we're in with a shout because we're with everyone. So that's good. A couple of cars are off.
There's an incident ahead.
So that helps us. Okay, can we make any progress here, or is this too dangerous a place to go? What do you reckon? Probably too dangerous.
Car on your left.
Particularly first lap with cold tyres.
Clear on the left.
You can see I just braked and was losing it there. So I think discretion is the better part of valour here. Let's keep going at least and see if we can then make up some places when tyres are warm and we're up to speed.
Slow car ahead. Car stop on the left.
Looks like someone else has gone off.
Car stop on the left. Go right.
Okay, so we can see if we can get past number 4 here.
53.927.
I'll go up the inside, I think.
Still there. Hold your line. Slow car ahead. Still there. Clear.
We picked the wrong side here, haven't we?
Clear.
Anyway, for 11th now. This is just a battle to stay alive, I think. I had been coming down to second here, but I kept finding I was losing the rear. But it does slow me coming out, so I don't know. I'll wait until the tyres are a bit better and maybe try it in second. And we shouldn't be braking that much there, really. Anyway. So the leading group have got away, I think. It's very twitchy, this car. Very twitchy today. I don't know what's going on. I haven't got much fuel on board, so I'm hoping it's going to last. It's only a 10-minute race, but I've gone down to the minimum level of fuel based on someone's advice. So we'll see. He said for these 10-minute races you can run the minimum. So let's see, we've got 6 litres left.
39.9.
We'll be okay.
Get the inside.
You got a slow car on the left. There's an incident ahead. Car stopped on the right.
Christ. He drove straight into us, didn't he?
Are you serious? You both?
It really is. Like, fighting for your life here. Where's that guy going? Yeah, I'm a bit worried about this guy because he seems to be a bit wobbly. So there you go. Don't need to brake that much. A bit worried about where he's going to brake for here. I think we'll just go slow behind him. Well, he's pretty quick through there, so I don't know. Not sure what's going on. I'm getting all these off tracks at the moment.
To go.
Halfway through. Where are we? 10th.
The car in P3 just set the fastest lap.
We're going pretty slow, aren't we?
5, 4, 7.
We're going pretty slow.
5, 5, 3. You're in the top 10. Nice work. You got a slow car on the left. Go right. There's an
dear.
incident ahead.
Somebody banged into him. Got a run here, a little bit. Not enough of one though. Nice to get to the front of this little group, wouldn't it? Well, I won't do driving like that, will I? My goodness. Another off track. I've given up on my safety rating for this season. I'm going to go down a license, I think. I'm just more interested in my rating at the moment. Okay, so what have we done now then? Well, 39 flat, so
39.0.
still not quick, is it really?
Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Yeah, I'd really like to get by this guy. Oh, maybe.
Car on your left. Clear.
There we go.
Got about 5 laps of fuel left.
Okay, should have enough fuel then. So we're up to 8th now. Someone else went off then, have they? Another one's gone off. And he's gone really slow up here because he was focused on that car that went off. Oh my goodness.
You got a
The
slow
fuck
car on the
are
right.
you doing, dude?
Yeah, that was not good driving.
Jesus Christ.
Not good driving. And someone else had gone off. We're 4th now. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
Maintain your line if you're gonna pass. God, that was...
Yeah, that was bad driving. Well, I think we're going to have a few incidents to look at after this race, aren't we? So, not many laps left, probably 2, I think, after this one.
8.866.
So that's a bit better.
For the session. You're in 4th position.
Okay, let's see how quick we can go then with decent lines. A little bit quicker. I don't think we're going to catch anyone though. I don't think. I don't know what that yellow and red line means. That yellow and red flag. If anyone knows, just put it in the comments. I haven't worked it out yet. I keep meaning to look.
Last lap. The leader just did a 38.743.
38.7. What are we doing then? 38.2.
38.214. That was your fastest lap of the session.
That's good. A bit better anyway. 37s is where we need to be really, but I'll take that one. Yeah, we're not going to catch these guys, are we? Okay, fourth. I can't believe that. Oh. Yeah, I've lost concentration there. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, fourth. Blimey. Another bloody X. That's a 4X without having a crash. That's ridiculous, isn't it? That's just poor driving for my part. But like I say, I've given up on safety rating for this season. I'm going to go down to a B class, and I'll worry about that next season, I think. But there we go. We've done it. And they're racing to the line, those two. Wow. What a surprise. Oh, what a surprise.
There's the checkered flag.
Okay then, so that was the first incident. That guy just sat there, which was not very helpful at all. And what have we got then? So I'm in the middle, so I think I just decided to keep out of the way, and then those two took each other out, which sort of helped a little bit. Yeah, oh dear, he's not having a good time, is he? There was another, I mean, there was just crash after crash after crash, wasn't it? I mean, there's no need for that, was there really? That's just no need for that. I don't know why people do that. Is he going to over-rotate? Yeah. Here he goes. So that was the guy we were racing with, wasn't it? So, oh dear. Well, that's one way to get by, I guess. And then what? Oh, I guess is that Karma, is it? Not sure. I don't know if that's the same guy. Same colour scheme, wouldn't it? Oh, and look at that as a rejoin. Bloody hell. Unbelievable. Yeah. Oh dear. Nice. Okay. Oh. Synchronized spinning. And they're both coming out again, look. Is this going to push him, is he? Yeah, it's just a bit of a bump. What's going to happen here then? Is he going to have another go? I get the feeling there might be another little incident here. Oh, maybe not. That wasn't me, was it? No. Okay. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Okay. And that was the two ahead of us. I mean, that's just... yeah, I mean, the guy in front shouldn't have moved. The guy behind had better view. So, you know, anyway. Happens. Okay, let's have a look at those results. So that was third split out of 9. Lost some more safety rating. Like I say, I've given up on that. I rating, that's the important one. So I'm up over 1700 now, so that's good. What was the fastest lap of the race then? So somebody did a 37.5, blimey. So it must have been one of the fast guys that got pushed out at the start. And I was fourth with a 38.2, so quicker than the guy in third and nearly as quick as the winner. So yeah, very good. I'm pleased with that. Well, if you enjoyed that, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.